Now, the US has announced an increase in tariffs on Airbus planes imported from Europe to 15% beginning from March 18th. The United States Trade Representative's announcement comes days after President Donald Trump said a trade deal with the European Union will be re-evaluated. The duties have been at 10% since last October, when Washington hit $7.5 billion in European products with tariffs. Airbus says Washington's decision will hit US airlines, which are already facing difficulties. The European plane maker said it will continue discussions with its US customers to ease the effects of tariffs as far as possible. Industry executives in Europe and the US are waiting on new announcements from trade authorities amid rising economic tensions.